Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Silverado key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and right at the bottom, right here, you see this small hole. Now when you see this small hole, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right in this hole and twist it a little bit. This will crack open, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. So when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right after that here you zero that battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, in the same place you need to slide the new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Now when you slide your new battery over here like this, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly here, all corners to match, everything have to snap together nicely, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.